Mike, good morning. There is not a lot that I like today. FRSX. So definitely not a lot really going on. There's some PR, but it's not the greatest PR. We got HAPP. They've got 45 million in sales of epidemic prevention products. This moved up to $3. It's kind of right here right now. It's got all this indicator resistance ahead, so not too big of a fan of that. NNDM. They're facilitating a development of a 3D touch sensor, but no volume. ENLV. Some type of clinical trial that they're initiating, which is nothing, so I don't see why this would even do anything. Doesn't have any volume. I'm just going to take it off the watch list. And CLSK maybe could get a continuation today. It's opening up right here. I mean, there's some pretty decent support below. It's a little further down than the midway point of the candle, this green candle, so I don't know if it's going to get a continuation or not today. It's not quite the continuation pattern I like. It's close, but it's a little off, so I don't know if it's going to, get that excitement. BMRA has received a CE mark for their new high volume version of 10-minute test. This could get some attention, but it had a pretty nice run from 645 gap up all the way with the move to 1086. What's up, guys? Good morning. So, I mean, that's possible. I don't like it that much, though. FRSX. You got sale leading to European Tier 1 supply of commercial vehicles and $1 billion in USD autonomous truck market. Kind of like that. That's, pretty good stuff there. But stock really hasn't done much. And move up to $1.25 from 90 cents. So I don't know about that one either. And then this one, I don't even understand why this is running, but for some reason it's gotten to move up. But they received $5.2 million in funding from the Paycheck Protection Program. I mean, I don't really know what to say about that. TTPH. What's going on TTPH? I don't really have a press release. What does this say? It's a lot of. I just wanted to see if it says anything, because I don't even see anything about TTPH in that. So it doesn't have a press release. I mean, I like the chart pattern on it, but it doesn't have a press release, so I don't know why it's running. But if it does break 216, it does have a lot of room to move. Let me look at how much volume this has had on it so far. So it's had a little volume. I don't know. Once again, it's not anything that excites me. Nothing so far excites me. And then TNXP research collaboration exclusive license agreement for horsepox based vaccine. So there's some PR, but I don't like none of it. The autonomous truck one, that one's kind of good, but I don't know. What's up? Good morning, Epic. But not my favorite day to start out with, so just kind of gonna let things do what they do and figure out where everybody's gonna go, cause I don't know. Riot, this is a crypto play. Capper looks like it might start moving. See which one is the truck one. Yeah, this is the truck one right here. This one I like. This one that might go on if it starts moving. Seven. I may actually go on this. Yeah, I'm gonna go on this. Say I filled a 106. I'm just gonna have a stop loss right under $1. Let's see if it starts moving. This is the only press release I kind of like, so let's just see, because we do have a kind of a U shape starting to form. If it breaks over the VWAP, possibly could start moving. But if it drops below $1, then it's probably done. Oof. Yeah, I should have waited a little bit longer. Got a little too gung-ho on this play. Okay, well, it's getting bought up at $1 a little bit here. What's up, Justin? So I'm just trying to figure out where I want to put my stop loss at. IO, nice. What is? I didn't even. IO didn't even show up on my scanners or anything. Get out of here. It's not looking good. Trying to give it a second. This candle's fixing to close. I want to make sure 95 cents is going to hold up. Alright, so yeah, 95 cents held up as support. I'm going to put a stop loss. Right under there for now. So what's going on with IO? Okay, so just a nice move so far. 336 up to 429. Did you? Oh, IO. Yeah, I didn't see that. I didn't see that in chat. Good job on the call out. I absolutely did not see that call out. Just kind of force something on FRSX. Which is not looking too good at the moment. TTHP just started popping up. It's got to break 220 to get going. Well, it looks like it's trying to here. Yeah, this is just running straight up so far. Right up to that 238 pre-market high. Oh shit, all the way up to 250. So this thing is really starting to rip here. And it's getting halted right now, so okay, TTPH is where some volume is. That was a quick rip out of nowhere. Take this guy off. I'm gonna start taking some stuff off I don't like. Take off Happy. PMRA, take it off. And Rumble's trying to get back above the 9 in the VWAP here. Yeah, this is struggling to get back above the 9, so I'm probably going to end up eating a loss on this unless it starts somehow popping back up, but got a lot of other stuff going on. Yeah, that's the weird thing. I'm not sure why TTPH is running. Why it ran so hard just now. From $2 to $2.50. So we definitely got some opportunities in the market today. Ooh, yeah, I'm probably about to get stopped out here. Unless this candle can close above 95. Tell Daniel B to teach you. Oh, it's just the healthcare sector's moving. We've been saying that every day, though, that the healthcare sector is moving. Yeah, I'm about to get stopped out. This is about to take probably about a $40 loss on this. If 95 cracks. It looks like it's going to. Oh well, that was a mistake on my part. Let's see, this is unhalted in 2 minutes. U-shaped thing, yeah. Some higher price stocks on the top 10 gainer list. Give me just a second, guys. All right. Is this I get? Oh no, I still didn't get stopped out of this yet. So no, let's see what happens there. I would have been a good grab right there in that 380 area. Pre-market resistance is right here where we're at, 235 area. I was kind of thinking about that. It might be a possibility to get in here. Oh yeah, there it goes, starting to push up. So yeah, there was a chance to get in there around that 230 area. Testing 275 right now. Looks like it's going to break through. Yeah, there it goes. Starting to break through here. But good run on this so far. So very nice run on this so far. So good call out on that one, Life. That 230 area's resistance, or that old resistance turning into new support. All the way up to $3. Shouldn't have hesitated. But good job. Everybody killing it so far, except for me. I'm doing terrible so far. Just got this guy right here just doing nothing. Nice. And you're out. Yeah, that was a pretty easy 70 cents right there from that 230 area to $3. So that definitely was a good one. Just gonna wait. I'm gonna have to wait a little bit, I think. Maybe see if it comes back down to that 230 area in a little while. Maybe get something there, possibly. Let's see. Looks like it's gonna break through 3 here. Yeah, here it goes, ripping up through 3. So this ain't done yet. Very nice. IO pulling down to the, this might be a decent area. An IO maybe. 375, 350 got some. Maybe. Yeah, it's okay. Didn't do anything yet. But yeah, at this point, if you wasn't already in, let's see, FRSX starting to come back up a little bit here. Pop up to 98 cents. Had just enough buying volume to keep it from dropping below 95 cents. So if it can get back above the 9, this might actually turn into something. Possibly. We'll see. We'll see how that works out. So IO still pulled down pretty hard here. It actually pulled down at 350. That actually would not have been a bad area to get in on this, possibly. Well, FRSX starting to break above $1 again here, finally. Getting a little bit of buy-in here. That was a good close on that candle. If this can get back above the VWAP, this might actually do something. Well, selling at 105. So I'll let that move around a little bit longer. See what this is gonna do. IO way down there. This could come back down to this 240 area. Maybe you could look for a bounce there. We got several things moving around at the moment, old Josh. TNXP, nothing there. Sideways on this guy. CLSK is not doing nothing. Take it off. Oh, damn, it did come down to that two. I missed that entry right there, I think. Let's see, this count still got 2 minutes. That's unfortunate. Yeah, it's starting to pull back above the VWAP now. This guy's starting to sell off a little bit. SPY rebounding pretty nicely today so far, all the way up to 288. Good old SPY. Good old SPY. Doesn't care about unemployment or none of that. I'm going to give this a second here to see if this is going to kind of U-shape back around. or just sell off. But we do have that pre-market support right here where we're at. Unless that support cracks. It's getting bought back up in those areas again. Big buyer just came in at 240. Oh yeah, this is probably gonna sell off here real soon. Let's see. $234. Try to get filled there, it didn't work. Trying to get filled at 244 right above. So I really don't want to get in at this high, but it's coming back up now. Give things a few minutes here to figure out what it's doing. See, IO coming back down pretty far. That's not doing anything. Still gotta figure that one out. TNXP. Now, all the volume right now currently is on TTPH. Yeah, I saw the possible on BMRA. Saw the possible U shape there. Still got a little ways to come up though before it can really get going. It's pushing up some more here. We'll let TTPH just maneuver around here for a second. Oh, I thought I got stopped out there. It was just a notification, but I probably am close to getting stopped out on FRSX. Looks like 250 is trying to hold up as support now. Hey, not bad though, Josh. $10 scalp, not bad. Or not $10, 30 $35 profit, 10-cent scalp. Man, it's a good profit. I'm just watching it. I'm just watching it for now, Daniel B. I'm just watching it. I'm not doing anything yet. See how we looking over here. Still going sideways. There you go. Starting to really crack here a little bit. To me, it didn't have a reason to really run in the first place. Other than saying that healthcare stocks are moving, there wasn't really a press release on this. IO possible U shape, maybe. BMRA's U shape was ruined, whatever, if it was going to do anything. VUZI. Oh, that's cool. So this is that one tech stock with the VR glasses I was talking about. They say they've got Zoom for healthcare now supported on their smart glasses. That's pretty cool. I don't know how much it's going to run, but... Let's see, where's the 200's at 208? I'm actually going to move VUZI up on my watch list here. WRTH. Well, this is Wader. Wader trying to break the pre-market high here. Opposed to some Wader. Oh, and it did break pre-market high here. So I might Wader to my watch list. If Wader's getting volume, we might wait and see if... Whoops. Oops. We might see if... Comes back down to that 2 area. So breaking that pre-market high, 219. This is already, or 218. This has already ran 12 cents. It's got a lot of room to run. Let's see, where's the 200 at? It's like at $2. I think I might have missed my chance on that. I should have. Oh well. Wader course is a little bit higher float stock, but you know, we saw Wader back in the beginning of all this rip pretty hard over a couple of days, so kind of getting a double bottom here on FRSX, so still maybe a chance that this guy works out. I'm taking this off. I don't like that. TNXP is below that. We'll take that off. A little bit of a spread going on there. Yeah, TTPH possibly forming a U shape. You see, and Wader just came back down to that pre-market high. So when does this candle close? 2.5 minutes here. So 6 there. Agreement with debt holder, repay, okay. 12 million convertible notes in the common stock. IO's curving back, yeah, a little bit here. We kind of got the same thing going on with IO and TTPH at the moment. Though IO seems to be a little bit more ahead of the curl around here if it can get back above the 9. See, FRSX just popped back up to 99 cents. Wader's looking pretty good. I can't do anything with that until it comes back down to the 9. VUZI, where's this? 208. VUZI, possibly U-shaping. Possibly U-shaping as well. Staying above the VWAP and the 9. Breaks above the 200. This guy's actually moved before. 170 up to what? 354. So this guy's actually moved big before. Might actually go on VUZI here. VUZI starting to get a little action here. I'll give it just a second. A second longer. I want to see if that kind of holds up a little bit. I'm coming back up on FRSX here with the double bottom. If it can finally break over 105 and get over the VWAP, it might actually do something. We are building higher lows though. We built a little bit higher lows on this bottom than on that bottom, so that's something. Oh, we'll see. It's still got a few cents to climb. And it's making lower high, higher lows. So it's getting squeezed a little bit. TTPH starting to come back up here. So where's the 9 at? 240. Oops. Candle's got a minute and a half to close. A lot of selling at 260. That's right where the VWAP is. But that's slowly getting taken out. So that's a good strength there. This is a decent little U-shape. Possibly could look for an entry. 260 starting to break. We got 30 seconds on this candle to close. So definitely got some good buy-in coming in. Yeah, that was pretty good there. It's good close on that candle. But I can't mess with it yet. I gotta wait for it to. I'm trying to wait to see if it's gonna kind of confirm. $265. It's trying to push over 270. I don't particularly want to get in at 270. I'd rather get in back closer to the VWAP. Oh, a lot of buying coming in right now, though. So I don't know here. May have missed it. That break at 260 would have been decent, but this may end up just ripping without me. But I'm gonna give this candle the time to close and see where it closes at. If it just rips on this candle, it rips, whatever. But if it stays down, kind of in this 260, 275 area, no, there it goes. It's starting to rip. I got hung up at 280. See, 286 is some resistance, the top of both of these candles. So what are you doing? Nothing yet. So still coming back down this 260. We still got 2 minutes for it to close, so there's a possibility that it may not hold up. Just trying to close above the VWAP. Yeah, now it's coming in a little strong a little bit. Let's see. Got 45 seconds left. Thirty seconds left. Volume is starting to come by and starting to come back in here at the close of this candle. I don't really want to get in that high though. Yeah, we're definitely closing above the VWAP here. Yeah, I feel like I just missed it. I should have got in right at the end of that candle. Trying to break 286 now. Yeah, and it looks like it's going to. Yeah, I just feel like I missed the entry. If I get in up here, I'm getting in way off of support. Let's see it come back. See VUZI popping up. Yeah, VUZI popping up a little bit more here. both of these guys kind of moving here. So it's trying to test 3 again here. $280. We'll jump in and see if it tries to break 3. See if I can get the momentum breakout entry here. Because it is getting a lot of buying volume if it can break 3. The buyer came in there at 296, so starting to test 3. See, there's a lot of selling at 3. So we just touch the tip of 3 there. See if this buying volume can hold up and keep on testing 3 here. Starting to come down here a little bit. We want it to hold 290. It's got to hold 290 if it's going to try to break 3 on this candle or the next candle. I mean, you're right, but I'm just going for the momentum breakout. If it can break 3, then I think it's going to run pretty hard. But if it doesn't break 3, it'll just come back down. We're getting a little bit of selling pressure here, but like I said, if 290 can hold up on this candle, and 290 is starting to crack a little bit. See, See, as soon as we dropped below 290, it started getting bought back up. So that's what I wanted to see. So that's good. And we're starting to push back up towards 3 here. Busting right through 3. Right through 3. No issue whatsoever on that. Let's see if it can hold 3, though. That's the next thing. Whoa, what happened? I didn't press anything. What just happened just now? Oh. Okay, FRSX got taken out. Okay. I thought I sold out of this. I was confused for a second. All right. My bad. Okay, let me see here. I lost focus now. Yeah, it got hung up at 3, so that's not good. So I'm probably gonna have to eat the loss on this then. Because this is probably going to pull back. And if it pulls all the way back to the VWAP, there's a good chance it could drop off. So FRSX dropped pretty hard. That was kind of crazy. And we did a touch of 3. Now if it can try to get back above 3 again. So this was not the best entry on my part. You see her getting balled back up again as soon as it drops below 290. So let's see if we go for another run over 3 here. Trying to push up again here. See, gonna test 3 again, testing 3 again. And 3's getting broken down, so there we go. Now let's see if we can hold 3 again. See if it really starts moving or not. Nope, still couldn't break through 3. So we're gonna try again here. Okay, we're trying again. A little bit of buying starting to come in at 3. Let's see. Nope, still is not. Still is having a hard time with $3, so. You can see more selling every time $3 pops up on the ask. But we're right back above it again. Here we go. Now we're starting to push up a little bit. A lot of selling at 310. Need to push over 310 soon. There we go. Pushing over 310. Let's see, where is that at? 330. So if this can reach back up to 330 and make a new high a day, it would be all good. So still struggling with 310 here a little bit. There we go. Now we're pushing over 310. If we can start holding over 310. Nope. Okay. It's trying. The volume's starting to pick up a little bit at a time here. Almost to 2 million in volume on this candle. We want to see this candle close over 3. Preferably 310. We got 20 seconds for it to do it. If it closes over 310, that'll be pretty good show of strength. It's trying to. Two seconds here. Right at the last minute, close over 3. Now let's see if this pushes up. Starting to move up here, pushing up through 320. Let's see you up to 330. A little bit of selling at 320. See if we can push up and make a new high a day. Big buyer just came in at 322. Pushing up through 325. Right through 325. New high a day. There we go. All the way up to 340. And that should bring some more volume in. Let's see if this can move in even more. Let's see what do we got? 350 is going to be some resistance. Yeah, 350 is going to be some resistance. So let's see, we're starting to push up to 340 again. A lot of selling at 340. See if they get taken out. Yeah, they're getting taken out, so we should push over. There we go, all the way up. So we got the 346. I want to see it test 350, but it may not. I may should just lock in, but I'm going to give it a shot. Let's see, going to push up to 350 here. Trying to stay above 340 for the next push to 350. There we go, pushing over 340. Buying just came in at 340. See, we're pushing up through 350. Oh, nope. Trying to test that high a day at 346. See if you can push through there. Boy, it's really trying to push. There's a lot of selling coming through, and it just keeps slowly pushing back up to 340. So may try to go for another high a day. It looks like it's about to. Getting hung up again right at 345. It's going to push another time here. Looks like it may get it. Yeah, there it goes. There it goes, pushing up. And we hit 350. See if we can try to test 350 one more time, and then I'm probably going to get out. Let's see 350 pop up on the ask. 348. There we go. Let's see. Pushing through 350. Looks like we might get through it. Oh, so close to getting through 350. Now it may come back down. I probably should have locked out there. I'm going to give it just another chance. Woo, big pullback so far. All the way down to 320. It's bouncing all over the place. Let's see. I'm going to give it a chance still because there's a very big upper shadow. So it's coming back down. If I hop out now, there's a very big upper shadow. When does this candle close? Closes in 30 seconds on this candle. So I'm going to see if this candle closes over 3. Yeah, this is looking real bad. I should have locked in. It looked like it was going to break through 350 there for a second, and that's why I didn't click off there. See, so that candle closed over 3, but yeah, this is starting to look kind of ugly. Good job, anybody locked in up there. You know, I hesitated locking in, and that's on me. So whatever happens at this point, that's just what it's gonna be. Definitely, I got greedy for sure. I for sure got greedy. There's no doubt about it. I was looking for it to, I was seeing if it's gonna break through 350. I was wanting to get that extra little bit if it got up to like 375. But it is what it is at this point. I let the greed get the best of me. It's coming back down now. So cracking that $3 area. Yeah, the head scratching's definitely coming. I already want to scratch my head, you know. I was up like 70, $80. I don't even know. I wasn't even looking at the profit at 350. I was just looking at 350 on the ass trying to, you know, trying to see. It's definitely unfortunate, but you know what? It is what it is. No, I'm not up at all. I'm down on it right now at this second because I got in so high on it. If I'd have got in a lot earlier, you know, I'm just trying to give it a chance here just to see if it's going to get back over 3 and maybe try to slowly make its way up again, but it could just sell off at this point. Like I'm kind of risking it at this moment. Or I guess I could lock out here for $3. We're starting to push up a little bit here, looks like it's trying to push back over 310 maybe. And it's trying to push back over 310 here. Hmm. Yeah, you're right. Like I'm not proud of myself for not locking in at 350. I held it all the way up there and didn't lock in. So trust me, I'm kicking myself. I'm kicking myself all over the place about it. So don't worry. If you guys want to rip me for it, you can rip me for it. That's fine too. You know, it is what it is. VUZI is running. I had a feeling VUZI was going to make a move. I like that stock without even the long term. Oh, actually, we're starting to push up a little bit here. That was a strong close on this candle on TTPH. I still may get a shot at redemption here. It's trying to test through 325 now. The 9 is pointing upwards now, so let's see what happens. See if this gets moving back up some more. That's as far as it goes, and I miss a second chance to lock in some decent profit. Absolutely. Absolutely. One Life is absolutely right. Well, let's see, if $3 doesn't hold up here, then this is done. All right, so push, trying to stay above 3, but it's having some trouble, so it could, very easily could sell off at this point. VUZI up to 230, it looked like. You can set TOS, I think, up on hotkeys. I don't know. I don't know how in depth it is, but if this don't get back over 3 soon, I'm just gonna get out and take the loss on it. The small loss. That's not good. See if 290 holds up here. Oh yeah, starting to crack the VWAP here. So let's see if it can come back up a little bit. Nope, starting to sell off. I'm gonna get out of it. So there you go. Of course, it bounces right back up to 286. So yeah, I got greedy. This is what it is. Let's look at VUZI. Oh yeah, VUZI all the way up to 240. Very nice. Very nice. What did I lose on that one? Ooh, I lost. Whoa. How did I lose so much on that? My stop loss must have delayed or something. Alright, well, whatever, I guess. 302. So, yeah. So, should have been a good day, and I let it turn into a bad day. So, that's my fault. And, that happens if you're stupid like I am. So, you just gotta move on. Can't dwell on it. I know what I did wrong on multiple levels on this stock. And now it's, of course, it held up the VWAP. So, good job to everybody who made some profit on this play. You guys did great today on this. Very, very good job. Y'all killed it on IO, TTPH. And I don't know if you guys got in VUZI or not, but that was a good play too. And VUZ, let's see, how far has VUZI got to go? 232 was kind of where some resistance was. So VUZI's got room at least up to 250. And it's just nicely riding up this 9 here. What? What did I say? I don't know what I said. Yeah, Daniel B is a really good trader. He tends to nail some big trades. Yeah. I'm used to losing, so eventually you get accustomed to it. It's not a big deal. It's easy to handle a loss like a champ when you lose all the time. But it is what it is, you know. You can't get mad about it. If you get mad about it, what's that gonna do? You just gotta, look at yourself and say, okay, well, you were stupid today. Good job being stupid. Next time, don't be stupid. So, at least that's what I do. I just don't be dumb. So I was pretty dumb today, and that's fine. I'll take it. I mean, right out the gate, I was too gung ho and jumped in on FRSX. I shouldn't have done that. Like, just everything I done today was bad. My entry was bad on TTPH. It was all bad. So it was a very ugly day on my part. SPY looks like it might be trying to break out here soon above this 200 day. Hmm. Interesting because the SPY held up. It bounced off the trend line again right here last night in after hours or whenever. You see it bounced here, made a climb back up, bounced here, now it's climbing back up again. So, I mean, the SPY is making nice, healthy movements back up. If it doesn't crash out tomorrow, next week it might be a pretty warm week in the stock market. No, I didn't say there weren't people who don't get angry. Uh, let's see, what are we talking about? Yeah, phew. Yeah, if you play the stock market like the casino, you'll definitely be taking losses. You gotta have a plan, and you gotta stick to your plan. Nice one, life. Very nice. 9 for 10. That is quite a win rate for the week. My win rate is not great this week. Yeah, we are kind of getting a little bit of consistency in the market. We really haven't had much consistency, but this week has been pretty consistent, really. Having pretty decent runners, pretty decent opportunities to make money this week for sure. And that's why I keep looking at the SPY because I think if we get over 300 next week on the SPY, then I think we might go into a hot market for a little while. if the market ignores everything that's going on and decide and the economy opens back up and stuff, we might get into a hot market. I definitely think after this election in November, I think this November is going to be a pretty hot market, especially in the penny stock world, because normally that's the time when it is very. Usually November is one of the hottest months of the year for the low float penny stocks. So I could see that. I could see that month being a really good month this year. VUZI pushing up that 244. I said there's some resistance at 250 on this. Yeah, we are. I've got a very optimistic outlook right now for the economy in the future. So that's why I think that we're going to get over 300 next week. But I could be wrong. I mean, we kind of been going sideways in this little area right here. So it very easily could drop as well as go either way. Like either way, it could go up or it could go down pretty hard. So I don't know. I have no idea. That's what I keep saying. I really don't know. I'm just being optimistic. I have nothing to really back up my optimistic speculation, I guess you would call it. Yeah, you see VUZI hit 249 and that was it. I mean, it still could keep climbing all day as long as the 9 holds up. This could keep climbing, but 250 was a tough area. If it breaks over 250 though, it's got room to 3. And 3 would be extremely tough. Yeah, I don't follow Roku either. I don't know. I don't know about any Roku. Alright guys, well, I'm done for the day. Gotta get some stuff done. Appreciate everybody joining me. If you guys want to continue that talk, you guys can do that in the Facebook group or wherever you want to, but I gotta get going. So good job everybody making some profits today. Don't do what I did today. That's what today's lesson is. Don't do what Ben does. Do the opposite of Ben and you will be good. So alright, you guys have a great rest of your day. Until next time.